spider web. Good.
Alright. Alright, let's go look around here. Look for the feather. See if you can find a feather.
Let's see who can find it first. Amy, you found the granite rock. You see those fire trucks? Wow. That's a massive fire truck. Fire ants can produce a nasty sting. They're really powerful. They can overtake larger animals. So don't let them on you. They sting like a bee. It hurts. I know, they stung me before. You could find an ant pretty easily.
Jump over here. Let's look for
An ant is a kind of insect. Another granite rock. Can you find a web? Can you find a spider web? Where? Did you find a spider web?
He found a bunch of spider webs.
Nice.
Oh, acorn, wildflower.
Go. A nature hunt. Nature hunt. Let's find an acorn. Ooh, look out. Horse poop. Oh, let's see if he has an acorn, because that counts.
Oh, he got something.
Oh, what'd he get? He's looking at you. Oh, there's a lizard too. Look, he's looking at you. Whoa, that was neat. He's right there. Hi. Hi. Hey, Amy. You found a nice big rock?
Yes, we met.
Does it have spots?
No.
No. Does it have lines?
No.
What does it have?
Oh, it does have spots.
Oh, good. Does it have little crystals? Is it shiny?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. It's a feather from bird of prey, probably an owl. She's like, okay, I'll take that. This is from a woodpecker. This tree is full of spider webs. Yeah,
Oh, we found a dog.
I saw 2 dogs running, yeah. That's a spider egg sac. There's a lot of lizards out, and there's a baby lizard. This could be Peter Rabbit's home. There's so many of these in this forest. Welcome to this episode. Oh, I should say. Welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. Today we're going on a forest treasure hunt. We found feathers from 3 different species of birds, some insects, and some sticks. This is Benjamin Bunny's house. It's sparkly. What did you find on the nature hunt? You found that stick that you have. What else?
A rock,
Mm-hmm.
an ant, a squirrel, and you found a fiddle, but I will get from full of board.
All right. We had to find a bird. That's a bird. A wild native bird. It's in this beautiful scrub oak. We found a bird. It's a morning dove. It seems pretty. And there goes the fire truck.